So in this video, we're going to be talking about waves and sound. So let's say that this is a rope. Let me zoom it out. Let's say that this is a rope, and from this point, we jerked it up here. So it will look something like this now. And then I moved it back down to its original position, and it had a velocity of going upwards. So now this point may be around here. So now it looks something like this. And then I pulled it all the way back down here. So this position had a downward velocity now, so it might be somewhere here. And this also had a downward velocity, so it might be somewhere here. But this position had an upward velocity. So now it may look like something like this. Something like this. And when I move it back down to its original position, now it had a downward velocity, so it will be here, and just like the previous one. But this point had an upward velocity, so it will be here. So now it might look something like this, right? Okay, so we've created a disturbance through this medium, and wave is just the disturbance through space, or I could say a medium, but not all waves necessarily need any medium. Like the electromagnetic wave, it doesn't need any medium, so I should use the term space. The disturbance through space, or I should say propagating through space, usually transferring energy. So it usually transfers energy, right? So it's moving and it's transferring energy from one place to another as a form of kinetic energy. So if we place an object here, at some point of this phenomenon, it will like flick it up, right? So let's see what sound is now. Sound is also a wave. Let's say this is a sound box. So we are producing sound. And this is the drum, or that part to which the sound is actually produced. So it will vibrate, like it will move back and forth. And let's say these are the air particles or air molecules down here. So when it vibrates, it pushes the air in this region to move. And after some time, this air will run into these guys will run into these guys. So there is a disturbance in the air, right? At this part, this is more dense, right? So this energy is traveling, and after some time, the air in here might seem normal again. It might seem normal again, but that disturbance is traveling as a form of energy, and maybe it reached somewhere here, right? Now it stands around here because, like, when these guys bumped into these guys and like this, it was just traveling and traveling. Now the disturbance is here, and now here is normal. So this is how the sound wave actually travels. And if you see this kind of wave, it's called the transverse wave. This kind of wave. And the sound wave, or the wave through any medium or space, it's called the longitudinal wave. or the compressed wave, because you see here is a compression that is being produced here, right? So hope you guys got the basic idea of how waves and sound works. See you in the next video.